In this video, I will share that how you can assign someone as the page admin of the LinkedIn page or the sponsored post content, or in other words, you can say the advertiser. So simply open your profile on the LinkedIn and then click on this your profile picture. And when you scroll this down, all the pages that you have the access that will be here under the manage. So simply click on the page that you want to give the access, and from here just click on the admin tools. And from the admin tools, simply click on the page admins. From here, you can assign someone as the page admin, or recruiter poster, or sponsored content poster, lead generation form manager, or pipeline builder admins. So for the creating the ads of the someone, we need to assign someone as sponsored content poster. So you will simply click on this one and type the name of the person. For example, uh, mm, just as an example, I want to give access to this person as an advertiser or the sponsored content poster. So I simply click on this one, and then I will simply click on this save changes, and this person will be assigned the role of the sponsored post content poster. So in this way, you can assign anybody the sponsored content poster, and after giving the access to your campaign manager, he will be ready to create your ads.